Okay, so now we're on to question number 4 on Unit 3 Test Review. Question 4 says, which set of numbers is a solution to the inequality of 7 is less than or equal to 8q minus 9? So we have 7 is less than or equal to 8q minus 9. Okay, again, here we want I prefer to have the variable on the left side of the equation. So we move everything that's on this side. We just swap sides, and when you do that in inequalities, you have to reverse the sign to keep the directions the same. So we have 8q minus 9 is greater than or equal to 7. So everything stays the same, and when you flip sides, you have to reverse the sign to keep it the same. Okay. So the next step here is the same as when we solved just the regular equations, is we have to add 9 to both sides. That gets rid of the 9 on the left side. So if we add 9 here, we have to add 9 on the other side. So we have 8q plus 0 is greater than or equal to 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it up here. 8q is greater than or equal to 16. And the next step, since we're multiplying 8 times q, we want to get rid of the 8 to solve for q. We have the inverse of multiplication is division, so we divide by 8. Divide by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1q is greater than or equal to 16 divided by 8 is 2. So q is greater than or equal to 2. So what we do, this is what stumped a lot of people on the tests and the quizzes. We have to look at each of these answers and see which one has all the answers has to be greater than, q is all numbers greater than or equal to 2. To graph it, to go ahead and graph it, we can put a line, number line, put a 2 here. We fill in the dot over the 2, meaning it can be equal to or greater than. So we find out which one of these answers up here falls in the range, this range here, that's greater than 2. The only numbers that are greater than 2, there's one of them in C, 3 is greater than 2, but the other two are not. The only one that all of them are greater than 2, equal to or greater than 2 is D. So D is the answer. See, 3.5 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 2, and 5 is greater than 2. So D is the only answer that will work there.